Hi guys. Good afternoon. This is 3:36 p.m. The 2nd of September 2025. I gave a signal. I called out the signal CHFJPY. And as for this challenge, 100K to 10 million naira. And in the YouTube video I did on Monday, I explained how we've been in a drawdown of about 12%. I personally sent in my personal account, the 100K account. I was in a drawdown of 12% and I sent to the group. And let me show you. This is it. Yeah, I hope you guys can see it. So that is it. I sent it to the group and said, hopefully we're gonna like get back. And today being Tuesday, I sent in this signal and I said, hopefully we get to, CHFJPY get to give us really good money. And I'm still being like positive because now it's going in our favor and I'm hoping it breaks this line. So once it breaks this, it becomes a break of structure, then we can now get into a position where we can now like go um where we can risk nothing. We go break even, anticipate a pullback to a demand to a supply zone. Then, you know, we could probably scale in, but I wouldn't want to scale in since we're in a drawdown. I want us to like keep just following the trade till it hits TP. This is a 1 to 10 risk to reward. No, it seems far-fetched, but it isn't. We're just following technicals and hopefully we get something really good. I'm currently floating about 9,000 naira on this account. You can see it, CHFJPY. You can currently see it and oh, 10K now. Yeah, that's 10K. I wish that was in dollars. But yeah, but I'm trading my Naira account now and other accounts, but hopefully we get really good profit from this trade. So I just want you guys to have a look about what I'm looking out for. I want a structural break. We go break even after it breaks this structure. Then, we'll continue to monitor the trade till it gets to this level of demand on a higher time frame. Remember, this is where we're coming from. This is where the trade is coming from. It's been a bearish movement from this change of character, sell, lower highs, lower low. Now the market has gone into a level of supply, key level after sweeping liquidity above in form of stop losses. And now we're anticipating it to take out this recent low. We're taking our profit out early in case of any interest retracement, but we know it's gonna like try to take out this flow. So this is what I'm looking out for. And every other pair, GBPUSA hasn't really given me something significant. Now, I was hoping it would go higher, but no, it broke out of this demand on H4. And that's why I'm not in right now. So I'll see us later. CHFJPY seems to be giving us really good cash right now. And I'm just gonna be positive. I'm gonna be optimistic and not pessimistic. Thank you all. Remember, true the chieftain. Bye guys. See you later.